Meet the GE Cync Smart Bulb, a simple way to upgrade your home lighting. Control your lights with your phone or voice, adjust brightness, and choose the perfect color or white light for any mood. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the GE Cync Smart Bulb, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. To get started, download the Cync app on your smartphone and sign in or create an account. Screw the GE Cync Smart Bulb into a compatible light socket and turn the power on. Open the app, tap Add Device, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the bulb to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, depending on your model. Once paired, give your bulb a name, assign it to a room, and you're ready to control brightness, colors, schedules, and scenes right from your phone. Smart features? The GE Cync Smart Bulb uses energy-efficient LED technology to deliver bright, vibrant lighting while consuming less electricity, helping you reduce energy costs without sacrificing performance. Control your GE Cync Smart Bulb from anywhere using the Cync app. Turn lights on or off remotely to enhance convenience and make your home look occupied when you're away. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your own GE Cync Smart Bulb. See you in the next one.